How do I disable HW overlays on my Android phone?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to walk you through a simple process on how to disable HW overlays on your Android phone. Disabling HW overlays can help to solve some graphic rendering issues you might be experiencing with certain apps.
What is HW overlay?
Before we dive into the steps, let's first understand what HW overlays are. HW or hardware overlays are a feature in Android that can help with efficient and smooth rendering of apps on your device's screen. However, sometimes they can cause issues, and disabling them can provide a solution.
Is disabling HW overlays always recommended?
Remember, disabling HW overlays is not always recommended as it may increase the CPU usage and drain battery life faster. This step is usually taken as a troubleshooting measure when other steps have failed to resolve a particular issue.
How to disable HW overlays?
Now, let's get into the actual steps on how to disable HW overlays. 1. Go to the settings on your Android phone. 2. Scroll down and find About Phone. Tap on it. 3. Here, you need to locate the Build Number option. You might find it directly, or it may be under a submenu such as Software Information, depending on your Android version. 4. Once you find the Build Number, tap on it 7 times. Doing this will unlock the Developer options on your phone. 5. Go back to the main settings menu, and now you should see a new option, Developer Options. 6. Open Developer Options and scroll down to the Hardware Accelerated Rendering section 7. Here, you'll find an option that says Disable HW Overlays. Simply toggle that option on. Please note that these steps may slightly differ depending on the make and model of your phone, as well as the Android version it's running. And that's it. You've successfully disabled HW overlays on your Android device. Remember, this is a troubleshooting step, so once you've resolved your issue, it's usually a good idea to turn HW overlays back on to optimize your device's performance. We hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching.